Hey, good evening once again. If you're just joining us, good evening to you. If you're locked in via the website www.tgmradio.co.uk, this is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. with myself and
Dilika Brown Ross,
Yes.
Dragon House and Wheels of Steel, as per usual. You don't know, say every week we bring to you special guests. And this week, like no other, don't mind me in my position. You know, my position is not important at the moment. We have a special.
Well, that's not so safe.
as we continue.
All right, we can move on. Yes. Right, we have a special guest here. She goes by the name of Chin Powa. She is a dance hall queen, straight out of Jamdown. With a powerful, I'm gonna say it's a powerful story. But we're gonna be speaking with Chin Powa, who is in the building. Chin Powa, good evening and welcome to the Upnlive show.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
You're not nervous?
Nah.
Yeah, sure.
Just a little bit.
Just relax, no man.
I'm relaxed.
Drink some bourbon and go on all that joy. You're on the Upnlive show. There's nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
I am relaxed.
Yes? Right.
Girl, well, pretty man.
Yeah. Chin Powa, the chin up. You understand? Alright, so let's start it here. Let us start it here. For those of is this your first time in the UK?
No, it's my second time.
Second time, okay. Right. So it's the first time on the Upnlive show though.
Right.
So for the people who are on our live, explain to us who is Chin Powa.
Well, my name is Tashay Old. I'm a dancer from Jamaica. Chin Powa is just a regular, normal, humble, kind, loving girl, you know.
So whereabouts in Jamaica where you grew up?
I was born in a police car.
In a police.
Bad girl.
Hold on. Yet more I hear the story there, you know.
So I'm born in a house.
More I hear the story
No, you
there.
can't just say that and just leave it there.
More hear the story there.
No.
What happened?
My mommy explained and tell me that where she was living,
Yeah.
it was like a distance from the hospital.
Yeah.
She didn't have, I think she didn't have any phone at the time
Yeah.
to call when she was in labor. So somebody called up 911.
Somebody call 911.
Yeah, someone called 911 and yeah, I was born right in front of the hospital in the police car.
So which parish is this in Jamaica?
It was St. Andrew?
St. Andrew.
Okay.
So what is it?
Oh,
Jubilee
okay.
Hospital?
Yeah, Jubilee.
Ah, cool na man. But I mean, that's I've never heard anybody being born.
But
in
my
a police car.
daughter, she'll be 7 this month. She was born in the house. I delivered by myself.
Okay.
By yourself? Was
By
that by
myself.
was that by choice though?
Yeah, because the hospital was like 1.5 hour far.
And at the time you went into labor, it's quite too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, but that's not strange to the Jamaican society.
So-
Many people were born at home, so yeah.
Yeah, but born in the police car, let me just revert to that story there, like, because nowadays it puzzle me now.
We don't know.
I don't know how them can get a police car if somebody born night, but if you call on a station, boy, you can't run a station.
But then the police, them did nice. No, them not nice because that man was my godfather.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But he passed away,
So,
you know?
did he deliver you in the process?
Yes, he did.
Good
Yes,
police.
he
Big-
did. Because
big up the good police them in Jamaica, you know? Big them up.
Yeah.
Of
We,
course.
we still have good cops.
So your story started for dancing. How did
Well, I've been dancing from I was about 6 years old, start dancing.
Okay, early dancer.
Yeah, and then, you know, at the age of 17, no, I got my first son is 12, soon to be 13. I got him very early.
Okay.
Yeah, and then went back to school, stuff like that. Then in 2015, actually it was in 2015 when I really took up the dancing serious.
Professionally.
Right.
Right.
After my daughter was born, you know,
Okay.
I decided that, you know, I need to take it up serious because people been saying, no, you're too bad, you need to show your talent and, you know,
Yes.
stuff like that. And then I was working with Red Stripe.
Mm-hmm.
Then in 2017, that is when I became a dancehall dancer.
Okay, so obviously that forwarded out of a competition.
Right, because, yeah.
So talk to us about that competition and the whole process of being a dancehall queen.
Well, you have to be strong, to
Why?
be honest. You have to be strong, you have to have a hope in mind, you have to know what you're doing because typically Jamaicans, they use people. So if you don't strong and stand up on your foot,
you'll be used.
Yeah, you'll be used.
For
me, it was easy. To be honest, I was like, I get famous like less than 3 months.
What was the competition that you entered?
It was Miss Portmore Dancehall Queen Saga.
Okay,
yeah.
and out of that, because of the fact that your family members and friends and community members said that you have a talent in a girl, so go for that thing there.
And at that time when I went at the competition, I had 4 supporters. The girl had everybody else. Yeah. And when the competition finished, everyone was on my side. Okay. Even her home, they had to say, I'm being honest, she's bad. You have to give it to her, you know?
What's her name, if you don't mind disclosing her name?
Her name is... It's Tiffy, yeah. I think it's Tiffy, the dancer.
Do you guys still meet up in Riv, like?
Yeah, we still talk. It's my friend, you know, we're good. Yeah, that first time I didn't know her. That was the first time I've seen her.
Right.
Right, but after that, you know, Jamaican social media, like Instagram, social influencer like myself, we get along good, you know. So if a dancer and a dancer get along, we always get along good.
So after the competition, winning the competition, becoming dancehall queen, Chin Powa, what happened? What doors were opened for you? What happened thereafter?
Actually, I started working with the Ramesh Entertainment.
Okay.
And then start working with Charlie Blacks. Yeah, I'm Charlie Blacks dancer.
Okay.
For you all do know. Don't know. Yeah. Yeah. So it has been great for me until last year when my house was destroyed in fire.
Okay. Yes. Do you wanna? Are you okay with talking about the story?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you said last December.
Yeah, it was.
What date was it again? The 23rd.
23rd.
So speak to us about the 23rd of December, 2021.
Actually, I was in Otrias. I was doing a video shoot. Just reached back into Kingston, like I'm on the boulevard. I got a call from my friends downtown. But you know them stay, them love call me and right. So them like, Chin, your house burned down. And I was like, what? Lie. I said, yeah, your house burned down, girl. And she was like, so I was like, for real? And she was like, yeah, your house burned down. And by the time I went home, flat.
Nothing was salvaged from that. And obviously that's 2 days before the Christmas day.
But we got a lot of help still. From our MP, we got a lot.
You got a lot of support,
right?
And
from our followers and fans, you know, I had a GoFundMe. They supported me with $10,000 US. So, yeah.
Right, and sorry to hear that, but we're happy to know that you are, you know, you've bounced back, and you're flourishing at the moment. So you're now here in the UK. Obviously, it happened during the COVID period, and it was a difficult time. You know. Bouncing back, but you're here. Talk to us about your UK tour that you're now here for.
Well, my UK tour, I'm here for it with the Tipsy family.
Yes.
Yeah, that's Sassy.
Big up Lady Sassy and the crew.
Big up Lady Sassy and the crew.
Yeah.
Well, me have to big her up because she was one of them who saw something in me, actually, and said, you know, I'm going to give this girl this hair. You know, start her off with a good hair. So I have to be grateful for that.
Right.
So far, I've been. It's just today I learned, so
fresh off the plane.
I don't have much to say yet, but this Thursday, you know, Tipsy family, Tipsy Thursday.
Correction, she didn't land today. You land from Saturday. You forgot we'll pick you up on Saturday.
Just work with it.
Okay, yeah.
We'll pick up Saturday.
Okay, so. Yeah,
but Thursday forwarding is going to be Tipsy Thursday.
Right, so I want everybody to come out and, you know, because your girl up in them town live and direct.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of fans in the UK who wanted to see me. So for all who want to see me, come out this Thursday at Tipsy Thursday.
That's fine.
One question, like, I know that dancehall are moving a few strokes forward in terms of how people operate in dancehall, like dancers to what do you call it, patrons. So in Tipsy Thursday, what can we expect? We can expect like if you're a dancer and we can do a little thing, we can get a little dancer or nothing.
Well, all right. I'm a dancer. I don't really like to dance with people because when I'm working, it's just all about me. I don't like. If I decide, so, all right, then I need someone to dance with, I'm gonna ask you. I'm not just gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna ask
for a friend.
So, but yeah, I'm all about fun. I'm all about standing up and looking and like
and watching.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Because,
you know?
because I remember back in the days, like the true spirit of dancehall, a man come in a dance, and a girl dance, and if you're a good dancer, you can match up and you have a little swag. You can go beg a little dancing. You get a
Rub
little
off your
wine
blue
up, you
jeans
know.
on our white
Get a little
shorts,
picture and
yeah.
then little something there, you know.
Well, I'm not gonna say I'm that type of person.
And that's fine. That's just
fine.
who you
I'm
are.
just asking to, you know, cause me don't know.
Yeah, boy.
So you may come over there and, you know, kind of feel that
Well,
way.
like come and know, you know.
You might give me one wind up. Yeah.
Remember, me can't dance.
Just make sure
Just-
say.
you're sturdy.
When you see me, you're sturdy.
Talk truth. Make sure say eat up your yam and your dasheen.
All right, here one.
Chin
Anybody
Powa.
on the live,
What
we
you
have any little thing, little remedy, little nothing, you know, a little tups or something, and we can fix up. Remember
Yeah,
Thursday are forward, you know, how
A
with it?
problem this
We're Tuesday
Thursday.
though.
It's almost Wednesday already, so you
Yes.
can just link me before tomorrow, so we can, you
Alright,
know, straight
you
me
know.
back from now.
Yeah.
And outside of Tipsy Thursday that's happening, will you be doing any dance classes? Because, you know, some people like want to learn how to do some things. And, you know?
I don't have no info on that as yet. But
Yeah.
I think so. And I have a couple shows. You know, I have people that calling me asking me for bookings and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
But for the dancing part, teaching part, no.
Yeah.
I
No,
don't
not yet.
no.
But we can stick and stay and pre your Instagram page for more details.
Right,
Yes.
for real.
Great. Chin, thank you ever so much for chatting. I'm telling you, all right, no.
Yeah, I'm
So,
good.
all right. You never have nothing to worry about.
Before no, that you know.
What?
I have list tongue.
You're good.
So it's
Girl.
sort of things. It's kind of hard to
Girl,
come
you're
out.
all right. Upnlive show, you know, babes. Upnlive show.
That's why I'm at the top.
It's all good. So before you go, where can people get in touch with you? What is your social media handle? You want me to share it for you?
Yeah.
At Chin _Powa _.
But they don't think they know.
No, I don't know. Remember, so you're coming on our show for the
Chin
first time.
_ power.
Right.
Chin _ power _ sorry, my
Right.
mistake.
That's okay.
Big up yourself. The first me I meet you. I first me.
I first meet you.
Not like in because trust me.
I see you on my phone.
You see me from my phone. Well,
On
we
my
see-
phone, not your one, but mine.
She see you.
Hold
Yeah, I
on.
see
I
you.
go on so now.
I see you.
I don't know. Hold on. I don't know. Rick, hold on.
Chin, talking things and Chin.
That's it.
Chin.
No, but yeah, don't get jealous.
Chin,
But
no.
Rick.
get jealous
Me say me no feel
now.
like me about to father tipsy, you know. Me I want to get vexed money. I feel like left now.
Oh, ja.
Yeah,
They say that, you don't want to go away.
me no feel like
You
that.
have a come. You have a come.
There you go.
Never come.
Oi, oi.
Hold up. Never come.
And I forward, you know, I go come and I forward you for
You
you.
see,
I
she's-
go come.
Dragon, you're
What
off
do you
for
hear that?
reach. Tipsy
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, this Thursday with Chin Powa.
And Shane, you
And
know,
no,
we
yeah,
live.
Shane live.
You know, but we have a big him up, see me, you know.
Yes.
Shane is in the building. Yeah,
It's
big
going
up
to be a
Shane.
great show. Chin, thank you ever so much for chatting with us.
Bugsy, here we go on. She said me I go come in, so me don't know about who no. So, for no thing, everything go. Listen, me don't know if I come up, me I get her a single or whatever.
Oh, God.
Or a 2-piece or but something I go on. Me I go-
Big up yourself.
alright.
Yeah, thank you for
And
having
all
me,
the very
guys.
best for we know it short and spicy, but you don't know. You know the strips have to go on the
You
same
know
way,
strips,
though.
yeah.
Big up yourself.
Time is moving. People here want
Time
know.
is moving. So
Time
China,
is moving.
China go.
Lick some music right
Yeah,
now.
lick some. What you want that?
Ashley.
Yeah, man. Get 60 seconds. Take off your headphone, them.
This
Uncle
other
Ivan, I'm
wrong.
gonna ask you to.
Just pan
Yeah, we're going to set some things. Ladies and
This
gentlemen,
a
stick and stay. We're
other
gonna
wrong
set some
song.
stuff. What she just said? Lady, she's just seen herself on the
People,
camera, but
you
we're
want
gonna
know.
we're gonna drop some music. Dragon.
Girl do her body, girl clean and nice. Good day. I know her she got gym and beer things.
Speaker out there.
You know I'm and
Ivan.
mother girl ready, me say. I know you see this bumper heavy, yeah. Caution sign, cause me will damage you. Better brace yourself when me back it up, cause my bumper heavy. Them can't believe, I'ma get all this ass down in my jeans. Them want for marry me fast by any means. Call me on the fatty bum where them need. Yeah, come give me that love. It's a rock when my wine go down low. Nobody act like so you tough. Ain't gotta ask if I make you nervous. You know I'm heavy, yeah. And I'm rather girl ready.
If I don't want to see more, I know when I did this Thursday. Yeah, we can't make sure go too hard and then no one come at Tipsy. Cause Tipsy Thursday is a spot this Thursday. So make sure Dragon are forward, not call Dragon, right? No Dragon have been get next money out, you know.
Me tell you, so this year is all about enjoyment. From last year, I save my little money, you know.
Of course.
Kiss me neck back.
And people, you know, before we go any further, you know what, I just want to give a big shout out to Lady Sassy and the Tipsy family. Reason being, you know, I'm commenting around our post over there and say, I'm always trying. And I forget, I needed to call her to kind of emphasize what I meant by saying. I meant that by saying that she's always doing something creative and she's always thinking out of the box and she's always, like, you know, going the extra mile for, especially for the artists, because there's not many other platforms and many promoters in the UK actually think about like bringing artists over and giving, because you have to be fair, because most of these artists are followed over like, by Sassy, or even if they don't come to Sassy, but once they come to Sassy's events, it's actually opening a door for the artist himself and even for the market and the dancehall industry, because having such a potent artist like Shano Fordin, and she's had various amounts of different artists forward there into the UK as well. It's a good look for the dancer and the country as well. Especially Chin Powa. I never seen her personally and I didn't know much about her before. But because of the forward into UK now, I'm getting to understand her, about her craft, about her journey. So it's actually a great move. So big up to Sassy, and I have to give her some commendations for that. Big up the Tipsy family, right? I have to get her off of my chest. Done. But if you're just joining us, people, we just spoke to Chin Powa. She was here just now. We have a beautiful conversation. If you missed the interview, you can go back over to our YouTube channel. It's called Upnlive Show. Remember to click the bell to get all the future updates and more to come, definitely for the year 2022, right? Dragon there, we're going to play some songs, and in a few, we're going to be talking to Shano. He's going to be here, SOR Boss in the building.